Good day, everyone. I have a problem with the kickstarter. The clutch won't move. When I start the scooter, the kickstarter makes a loud noise. Churr. I'll replace the half moon and spring. My ratchet is fine. First, I need to unscrew the clamp bolt, remove the clutch, and then remove the retaining ring. To remove the clutch, I use an 8mm wrench. To unscrew the clamp bolt. To pull out the clutch, I use a large screwdriver to spread the clutch tabs and pull it out. Next, to remove the retaining ring, if you don't have a special tool, I use a screwdriver to push out one part of the retaining ring, then the other. And keep pushing it out alternately until the retaining ring is removed. Next, you need to pull out the washer. Now I need to use a screwdriver to remove the spring from the hook. Now I pull out the half moon. If it's difficult to get out, I help knock it out with a hammer. Next, I'll need a screwdriver and use it to knock it out. You can see there's a pressed-in bushing inside the hole, and it's badly deformed. It's best to knock this bushing out and replace it with a new one. Most likely, the deformed bushing was causing the tab to wobble so much. I couldn't pull the pressed-in bushing out. It was as if it had grown in. I decided to sand the bushing and file it down.
Если у вас есть напильник, можно напильником зачистить, чтобы было ровно.
Now the bushing is smooth and free of deformation. Now I need to lubricate the inside of the bushing with heat-resistant grease. Next, I install the spring and tighten the crescent. If it's tight, I adjust it with a hammer. One part of the spring should grip the edge of the crescent, and the crescent itself should fit snugly. Next, I take a screwdriver and tighten the spring, and I insert the hook behind the handrail. Next, I install the washer and then the retaining ring. I press the retaining ring evenly around the screwdriver until it reaches its special mark. Now I attach the foot at a 45-degree angle. The teeth of the ratchet and half moon must be lubricated with heat-resistant grease. Next, lift the half moon slightly and insert the ratchet into its housing. To check for proper installation, press the ratchet with one finger and rotate the mechanism with the foot. The half moon should move freely with the ratchet. It shouldn't get stuck anywhere. Thank you for your attention. Like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, ask in the comments. Goodbye.